Welcome to 2726 161st Avenue Southeast, right here in Bellevue. We're in the heart of Spirit Ridge, and this house has been beautifully remodeled by Straight Arrow Homes, a local building and construction company here in Bellevue. They've pulled out all the stops on this particular house, studs out remodel, amazing finishes. Come take a look.